You know. Hey guys, how's it going? We're in Lonely Beach in Koh Chang. We're just out for a walk to try and find a restaurant. We're very hungry. It's a nice little place. There's your fruit shakes. We got one of them this morning for this girl. They're 20 baht, which works out about 40 pence, 50 pence, or 50 cents.
Let's get our people first.
So what you'll do is you would pick the fish that you want. For example, this fish, it'll be 250 baht. The guy will cook it on the barbecue, and you'll get some salad with that.
Good, no good, good.
You've got prawns, got all different kinds of fish, guys. Everything's fresh. And there's these kebabs, chicken kebabs. Look at them, they look beautiful. So there's plenty of restaurants here, plenty of bars. There's more fish. It's very cheap here, guys, for your fish. Very cheap. Get clams, crab, oysters, lobster. I got some soup this morning for my breakfast. That was beautiful as well. So we came into the kitchen, guys. We ate here this morning, so we're coming to, we had the soup this morning. So we're going to get a proper meal. Really nice people in here, nice service. Okay guys, here's an example. If you wanted fried beans with pork or beef or chicken, it's 60 baht. And 60 baht works out at about €1.70, €1.80. Here's fried shrimps with black pepper, that's 100 baht. That's about €2.50, something like that. Just for nothing. Right guys, the Leo is 90 baht for a large bottle, and the Chang is 80 for a large. Well, that's the norm about here. It's 100 down on the beach, so it's pretty good value. So here we have the chicken and rice soup. We've got the portion of rice. Then we've got chicken with ginger. Is it ginger or chilies? And that's the chicken with a curry. So we're going to get stuck in, guys. This is a meal itself. I should never have ordered this. This is soup. So Liz is getting stuck into hers. Is it nice? I'm going to get stuck into this soup, guys. It's got egg in it. It's got chilies. It's got rice. It's got bamboo shoots, spring onions. Looks gorgeous, and chicken. It's a meal. Guaranteed. So this is the chicken with the ginger. We'll suss this one out. There's Chinese mushrooms in there. There's chicken. There's noodles. I fired in here, guys. Wow. That's really nice. The Ginger's potent, really, really potent. So we're going in for the curry, guys. Lizzie's telling me it's absolutely red hot with chilies. No joking. Whoa. It's spicy. But we did ask for spicy, to be honest. But there's plenty of taste here. It's absolutely gorgeous. Really nice. Okay guys, you can see we've got empty plates. Look at the chilies. That was just in one dish. If you're wanting something hot, make sure that you like it really, really spicy. For me, I'm not going to even say anything about getting anything spicy from the one. I have to say though, it was really, really nice. So guys, this is called The Kitchen, and this is in Lonely Beach.
Glad to see you again.
And that meal was really nice. That was 420 baht, which is about 11 or 12 euros. It's, we got a lot of food there, guys. A lot of food. In fact, far too much. And that was with a Chang and a Leo. I never told you that I was a Leo, did I? So there you go. Listen, we'll leave it there, guys. That's the meal finished and dusted up. Guys, we just stopped off for a beer. We're having to sort the mouth out with the chilies. We're listening to this guy up here. He's pretty good, by the way. He's on the guitar playing acoustic. So we're going to call it a night there. And we've had a nice meal. But remember again, if you want spicy, you'll get spicy. But it might be too much for you because I like my spicy food and I struggled there. Listen guys, hit the thumbs up if you liked what you've seen. Comment if you've got something to say and share and subscribe please. And until the next time, I'll leave you with the beautiful sights of this bar.